Hi everyone, I'm Tessa from Studio Jane, and I'm so excited to be teaming up with Kid Made Modern and Staples Canada to bring you a fun summertime craft. We'll be making our very own wind chimes that are perfect to hang in your yard. With the Kid Made Modern Arts and Crafts Library, we'll be using wooden and plastic beads in all sorts of shapes and colors. In addition, we'll also be using embroidery thread as well as other elements like sequins and decorative elements. You can use a wooden twig that you found in your yard, or a dowel or paper straw will work as well. Now that you've gathered your materials, let's jump right in and get crafting. To start making our summer camp wind chimes, first go and collect a twig or a stick from your yard. You can also use a wooden dowel, a paper straw, or paintbrush as the base for your wind chime. Start by decorating both ends of your twig. Cut 2 feet of embroidery thread and tie it onto one end of the twig. Be sure to leave about an inch or two of excess thread when you tie your knot. Wrap the string around and around the twig and back onto itself and retie it with the excess string from the first knot. Follow the same step multiple times to create bands of colorful embroidery thread on both ends. You can also use paint for this portion if you prefer. Simply paint stripes of different colors on both ends of the stick for a different type of decorative element. Next, cut approximately 1 foot of embroidery thread and thread it into the eye of your sewing needle. Now the beading portion, or as I like to call it, the fun portion, is here. Take your needle and slide it into the center of your first bead. I started with a small wooden bead and tied the end of my string around the bead at the bottom to be sure none of my other beads could fall off. Once you've secured the end of your thread, continue stringing on as many beads and sequins as you'd like. We used a variation of wooden and plastic beads as well as flower-shaped sequins. Follow the same beading techniques for 3 or more strands. Now that you've finished beading, take your first completed strand and with the excess thread at the top, wrap it around the center of your twig 3 times and tie a knot holding it in place. Do the same with your remaining strands, spacing them apart evenly. And just like that, you made your own summer camp wind chime. Hang it in your yard, a tree, or just on the wall as art, and those summer camp feelings will never fade. Thanks so much for crafting with me at Kid Made Modern and Staples Canada. Happy crafting!
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And for more fun inspiration and craft kits, check us out at kidmademodern.com. Thanks, and I can't wait to see you all again for the next video.